Alabama lawmakers are considering could help clear the state's court backlog of violent crime cases, but one legal expert fears it could actually create a domino effect.
Your reporter Josh Gant speaking with an attorney tonight to find out where potential problems could develop with this proposed bill. Josh, what did you find out?
Yeah, Brittany, Steve, attorney Roger Appel says the Speedy Trial Act is good in theory, but he says things like more Anaya's Law cases may cause the system to slow down even more. Speeding up violent criminal cases without unnecessary delays is something Attorney General Steve Marshall is pushing for, a part of the Speedy Trial Act. The bill proposes tapping retired circuit judges to preside over specific cases to reduce violent crime.
We want to identify those cases that desperately need to be heard, in which the prosecutors and defense are prepared. The only thing that they're missing is a judge and a jury to be able to consider it.
You're going to have lots of problems that are going to come, but again, in theory, it's not a bad idea.
One of the problems could come with Anaya's Law cases, with more people being denied bond in jail and awaiting trial, according to criminal defense attorney Roger Appel.
These people now who are charged with murder or capital murder, you're going to be forcing those trials to come to fruition. But in the same time, you're going to have people that are still in jail on crimes that aren't violent, that haven't been able to make bond. Their cases are going to be slowed down even more. You're going to have people that are out on bond on cases that may not be a violent crime, but their cases are going to be slowed down even more because you're prosecuting the other cases.
Appel says murder cases do take time, some longer than others.
I've handled, many of them, and they're not just, you get arrested, indicted, and then you go to trial a few weeks afterwards. These can be very complicated and complex cases involving expert witnesses and investigations by the defense.
Another issue could be staffing, according to a Facebook post from a current circuit judge who says if they use the staff, judicial assistants, court reporters, bailiffs of current sitting judges, then that judge can't hear any cases. He's suggesting amending the legislation to provide funding for staff. Of course, we'll keep you updated on what happens down in Montgomery. Brittany?
All righty, thanks, Josh. Measles